All right, guys, here we are with the drift kit. So I brought it out to the field or the outside and gave it a test run with Steve. And what we discovered is, again, one of the big problems with building a kit that's in a language you don't understand is that you'll probably miss something out. And one of the things that I missed out, luckily it wasn't a big deal, it did not cause any damage to the vehicle, was that there are these fun legs or bits in the front for the steering, and they require this tiny little thing that you see right here, which happens to correspond to, okay, this tiny little thing right here. And if you don't screw one of these in, let me see, which one is it? It's so tiny that you need the smaller wrench to get it in. I'll show you guys in a second while I turn the vehicle.
Likey